Okay, so we got the JB Crankshaft journal along with the JB Weld piston here. So I got my special head on it. Got to start these engines on mustard. They seem to like that. So here we go. Cut some grass. As you can see, the JB piston likes to smoke a bit there. It's probably burning, but still running. Can't run it too long. I got my special steel head on there, as you can see. No cooling fins. So, anyway, we'll shut her down here. So that's a JB piston along with the JB'd up crankshaft journal there. So a little bit of knocking going on, but I did indeed cut the grass. Sorry about the delay there. The fuel pump died in my Saturn, so I had to fix that on the weekend. I would much rather have had this going, trust me.